Did you know custom software can cost anywhere from $10,000 to over $500,000? The price tag depends on factors like hourly rates, project size, and scope. But beware, hidden costs like licenses, production deployment, and training can add 10 to 25% to your budget. Budgeting for software involves planning, 10 to 15%, development, 50 to 60%, testing, 20 to 25%, deployment, 5 to 10%, and maintenance, 15 to 20% annually. Key cost drivers include features, tech stack, and team expertise. Always set aside 10 to 15% for unexpected expenses. Features like advanced security or AI can raise costs by 20 to 50%. Choosing a modern tech stack might increase upfront costs by 15 to 30%, but it saves money long term. Specialized skills such as AI can cost $200 $350/hour. Aligning projects with business goals increases success rates by 38%. Phased rollouts can reduce lifecycle costs by 30%. Investing in training boosts productivity by 20%. Smart budget management is key to maximizing your software investment. Initial planning should set measurable success metrics. Allocate 15 to 25% of the budget for project management and keep a contingency fund of 10 to 20%. Regular ROI reviews and analytics guide updates, ensuring long-term success. Let's recap. Understanding costs from planning to maintenance is crucial. Aligning projects with business goals and managing budgets wisely ensures success and maximizes ROI. By doing so, you'll unlock the full potential of your software investment. Remember, investing in custom software isn't just about upfront costs. It's about ongoing maintenance and updates. By understanding and managing these costs, you ensure project success and maximize ROI. Start planning your custom software project with OpenArc today. Together, we'll create a tailored solution that meets your budget and goals. Let's turn your vision into reality.